Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Godaddy website. Start by selecting a template that best suits your needs, whether for a business or a personal portfolio. Godaddy offers hundreds of professionally designed options. Once chosen, personalize your site's look and feel by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Don't forget to include crucial pages such as an About Us section and a contact page, providing visitors with key information and ways to reach you. This foundational step sets the stage for your online presence. Now, let's enrich your website with engaging content. Upload high-resolution images and videos to capture attention and convey your message effectively. Craft clear, concise text for every section, ensuring it highlights your unique selling points. Consider integrating powerful features such as an online store to sell products or an appointment booking system for services. These additions transform your site into a dynamic and functional platform, serving your specific goals. To maximize your website's visibility, focus on search engine optimization. Use relevant keywords throughout your content to help potential customers find you. Crucially, ensure your site is mobile responsive, providing an excellent experience on smartphones and tablets, as over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Also, link your website to your social media profiles to expand your audience and drive more traffic. These steps are vital for online success. Before going live, thoroughly review every page and test all functionalities to ensure a seamless user experience. Once satisfied, connect your custom domain name, giving your website a professional and memorable address. After launch, remember that website maintenance is ongoing. Regularly update your content, check for broken links, and perform security updates to keep your site fresh, secure, and performing optimally. This ensures your online presence remains strong and effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.